On October 23, 2025, federal authorities made headlines by charging Terry Rozier, currently a guard for the Miami Heat, as part of an alleged illegal sports betting and gambling scheme. His arrest comes alongside that of NBA coach Chauncey Billups and former player/coach Damon Jones, forming part of two interlinked investigations into insider gambling and rigged poker operations. Rozier was arrested early Thursday morning at a hotel in Orlando, Florida. He is accused of participating in an illegal sports betting scheme that used non-public, insider information from NBA players or coaches to place bets on individual player performance outcomes, so-called prop bets. The indictment claims the scheme covers at least 7 NBA games between March 2023 and March 2024. In at least 3 of those games, players allegedly removed themselves from games in order to benefit those betting outcomes. One particular incident singled out in the charges involves a game played on March 23, 2023, when Rozier was with the Charlotte Hornets. According to the indictment, Rozier informed a friend that he planned to leave the game early due to an injury, a supposed injury, and would not return. The friend, Nero Laster, then shared that information with others, who placed under bets on his performance. Because Rozier exited the game early, after about 9 minutes, those bets paid off. The authorities say that more than $200,000 was wagered on his underperformance in that game. After winning bets, some of the proceeds were reportedly physically delivered or counted with Rozier. The charges include conspiracy to commit wire fraud and conspiracy to commit money laundering. Rozier is one of 6 defendants in the sports betting indictment filed in the Eastern District of New York. Separately, there is an overlapping indictment involving rigged underground poker games allegedly tied to organized crime families, e.g. Mafia-linked. Chauncey Billups, current head coach of the Portland Trail Blazers, is among those arrested under the poker game rigging scheme. The entire investigation involves dozens of individuals. The report mentions 34 people arrested across multiple states. According to prosecutors, the scheme involves multiple NBA games, people connected to NBA players or coaches, and potentially abuses of insider information for gambling purposes. The NBA has placed Rozier and Billups on immediate leave. Rozier was released on bond after surrendering his passport. NBA teams and league officials say they are cooperating with authorities. Prosecutors have indicated that each of the counts he faces, wire fraud conspiracy, money laundering, can carry a maximum prison sentence, up to 20 years per count. This case raises serious questions about the integrity of the sport. Among the issues, insider information and prop bets are already controversial, and this alleged use of inside knowledge, e.g. planned departure from games, would be a major violation of trust. The involvement of organized crime-linked poker schemes in the same broader investigation heightens its gravity, suggesting more than casual or isolated rule-breaking. The outcome may influence how the NBA monitors gambling by players/coaches, league discipline policies, and how sportsbooks or regulators oversee suspicious bet patterns. There's also the reputational risk for Rozier personally, and for the league's image among fans and stakeholders. Rozier has future court dates. His next appearance is scheduled for December 8, 2025. Billups is scheduled to appear later as well, in Brooklyn Federal Court. Investigations are ongoing, and further legal proceedings will determine whether the allegations can be proven in court. The NBA will likely have to respond with policy reviews, and possibly league-imposed discipline or changes to betting oversight. The arrest of Terry Rozier marks one of the highest-profile instances in recent years of alleged gambling misconduct involving an NBA player. At this stage, the charges are allegations in an ongoing federal case. But if substantiated, it could represent one of the most significant scandals in league history, not just for the individuals involved, but for how sports betting, regulation, and player/coach responsibilities are governed in professional basketball.